Hey guys, AJ Simon here, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to shoot a quick video basically showing you how I've made $4,048.40 in the last 30 days promoting my own products on Warrior Plus, and really just to inspire you to take action with our funnel, because obviously our upsells are working. They're bringing in commissions every single day now, and the dollar trial funnel I have for Builderall affiliates is bringing in tons of sales for people in Builderall. In fact, if you look at James Glover, he is actually on the leaderboards right now. John Ainsworth is on the leaderboards. Mark Hayden's on the leaderboards. Pretty much anyone who's using our funnel and driving targeted traffic to the funnel is going to be making those dollar trials. Okay, so like, it's crazy. The way it works is they get in for $1, and then they see our upsells. They see the training that I offer. They also basically be able to get on a call with me so that I can close them into other products that we offer as well. So if you're in Builderall and you're looking for a funnel that actually works, something that's actually going to be making you money on the back end as well, then this is definitely something that you want to check out. It's, yeah, it's pretty cool. I put a lot of work into it. Mark Hayden and I have put a ton of work into it. That video sales letter that I did took me over a month to edit and create and actually get to convert the way it does. And the upsells and all those different offers that we put into place are converting really well, which just means more money for people who are trying to build their Builderall business. So it's pretty cool. And that whole concept isn't new. The concept of upsells, it's not a new thing. If you look at Warrior Plus, the whole idea is to get people in what's called a tripwire offer, something between like $1 and $12.95 to start out, and then offer additional upgrades and things that will work along with the product that you're selling. So what we decided to do was, hey, why don't we try to get people in to Builderall for $1 using our sales video, but let's also optimize the back end of the funnel so that way we can start getting more money that we can just reinvest back into paid ads. And so that's what we've done with Funnily Enough 2.0. And if you want a copy of that, if you're already in a Builderall affiliate, then you get a copy of that for free. No charge at all. The only thing you got to pay for is the upsells. Like if you want to promote the back end, that's a one-time $97 charge, and then after that you get me closing sales for you. I get on the phone with these people and I show them how to set up their system. I show them which upgrades are going to be best for them and which ones they should buy. We also have the option to bundle the offer for $149, where you get 30 emails and you can become a super affiliate. And then there's the other offer, which is the coaching offer, $699 one-time payment, and that comes with weekly mentorship plus unlimited chat support that I handle from inside Messenger, which if you have ever talked to me, you realize that I get back to you very fast. I've always gotten back to people with support and things like that. But yeah, I mean, really excited about building this out, really excited about showing people what we can do with this. So if you've seen this already, then you already know this video converts really well. And right now we're getting between 1 to 3 sales per 100 Google clicks going to this video. And it's amazing, because what happens is now you're building up your residual income. So if you're with Builderall, you're building up your residual income, and then you're building up your back end income, right? So like you're getting paid on those upsells. And then when I get them on the phone and I teach them how to set up the system, and we've updated this page, so basically they get started for $1, we give them the 3 steps they need to start making sales. And then I've added some testimonials from some students who've already gotten results with us, which is that's why the sales page is actually converting so much better. It's because I've added those. So it works really well. If you're not on my Builderall team, there'll be a link below this video. You can get started for $1. And if you are already in Builderall, then don't worry about that. Just click the second link, and that's where you can actually buy the upgrades. I recommend getting the $97 super affiliate at least. And then if you want to do the bundle package and get 30 emails on top of that, then that's the $149. And then when I put the link in there, all you got to do is go to the members area. You'll see a video where I tell you can book a call with me. And if you want to book a call with me, book a call with me, because then we can talk and then we can strategize, and then I can actually show you what you need to do to start making this money. And we'll go over YouTube and go over Google, and we'll go over Facebook and all the different methods that I do every day. Like, if you get involved with me, this isn't like something that you're just going to sit on your hands, okay? Like, I'm active all day, and I'm always selling, and I'm always creating new content. So that's just like this video. It's kind of like spur of the moment. Like, hey, I should really get this video done because I know somebody's going to benefit from it. And if you're an existing Builderall affiliate and you haven't seen our sales funnel yet, then you should really test it out. You can at least use the dollar trial video for free, but if you want the upsells, you got to pay that $97, which is inside the members area. That'll be the second link in the description. If you want to book a call with me and talk about it, then go ahead. That's going to be also the second link in the description. But yeah, I'm just really excited. Things are going well. The upsells are working. We're getting momentum, and can't wait to see how much further we can take it and what we can do for all the affiliates. So yeah, with that, this has been AJ. I will talk to you soon.